Two streaming giants. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Amazon Prime Video, your ticket to unlimited entertainment and a vast library. And on the right, Apple TV Plus, home to cinematic excellence and acclaimed originals. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Here's how we're going to compare these two. We'll look at price, content library, originals and quality, streaming quality and devices, family and sharing, bundles and add-ons, live sports, and finally, user experience and ads. Yeah, lots to cover. Let's jump right into price because, well, let's be real. That's where most people start. So, price. Amazon Prime Video is actually kind of tricky. See, it's included if you're an Amazon Prime member, which is like $15 a month. Or you can just get the streaming part as a standalone for $9, but that's with ads. Want ad-free now? That's an extra $3 per month. Oh, and they have promos floating around all the time, so you might snag a bundle deal somewhere. But yeah, the price keeps creeping up. Now, Apple TV Plus? Honestly, it's super straightforward. $13 a month, totally ad-free, and they offer a decent free trial. If you're deep in the Apple world, you can bundle with Apple One and get a bunch of Apple stuff for one price. But keep an eye out because Apple bumped up the price recently, and unlike Prime, there's no ad-supported cheaper option. In terms of value, Apple TV Plus slightly edges it out for simplicity. And let's not forget the ad-free part. Winner here? Gotta give it to Apple TV Plus. Let's see what's next. On to content library. And wow, talk about a difference. Prime Video honestly feels endless. We're talking more than 26,000 movies, almost 3,000 shows. It's wild. They've got everything. Newest releases, hidden gems, the whole MGM back catalog. There's always something refreshed or new, though, okay, sometimes the quality is kinda all over the place. And heads up, you gotta watch out because a lot of titles look free but actually need a rental fee. That keeps tripping people up. Now, Apple TV Plus? Oh man, it's tight, super curated, way smaller library, for real, the smallest of all the big streamers. But what you get is like, every title feels like it won an award. Ted Lasso, Coda, Severance, high quality stuff. Still, if you love jumping genres or want old favorites, you're gonna feel limited. So, massive versus boutique. What's better? Honestly, Prime Video dominates when it comes to pure choice. That's our winner for content. All right, originals and quality. Here's where it gets interesting. Prime Video isn't shy. They've got big exclusives like The Boys, Invincible, even Rings of Power. The sheer volume is impressive, and they've pocketed more than 75 awards. But I'll be honest, some originals are epic, some not so much. Apple TV Plus? It's basically a flex of quality over quantity. Their originals are ridiculously good. Killers of the Flower Moon, For All Mankind, Ted Lasso, and yeah, Coda even won an Oscar for Best Picture. Plus, almost everything streams in 4K, with Dolby Vision and Atmos. They don't dump a ton of shows all the time, but pretty much every drop is a big deal. So, if you care about prestige, Apple TV Plus is the easy winner for original quality. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Apple TV Plus actually made history by being the first streaming service to win the Best Picture Oscar with Coda back in 2022. Mind blown. Let's get back to the face-off. Time to talk streaming quality and devices. Prime Video lets you stream all the way up to 4K HDR, and that's included. No hidden upcharges. Its device support is huge. Smart TVs, consoles, phones, laptops, even multiple streams at once. But heads up, if you're watching with ads, the whole experience feels a little patchy. Now, Apple TV Plus? Everything is in 4K HDR, with gorgeous visuals and even spatial audio for that extra wow. You can have 5 people streaming at the same time and, surprise, surprise, it's buttery smooth in the Apple ecosystem. Device compatibility is a bit tighter if you're outside Apple, but it's slowly getting better. So really, both platforms absolutely nail quality for streaming. Let's call this one a tie. Let's dig into family and sharing. Prime Video lets you set up your household and create profiles, which is pretty cool, but it's less fetch and go than Apple Family sharing. Apple TV Plus is kind of awesome here. Up to 5 people get full access, totally free via family sharing. And if you've got Apple One, the whole family scoops up all the services. super smooth. So, for actually sharing with the family and not having to fuss with fiddly settings, Apple TV Plus is our clear winner. Content add-ons and bundles can be a real game changer for some people. With Prime Video, you can tack on a bunch of other streaming services, Max, Stars, Paramount Plus, you name it, all straight through channels. Billing's centralized, and sometimes you save a bit if you bundle. The only real gripe? The UI gets pretty busy since everything kind of blends together inside Prime's homepage. With Apple TV Plus, there's a couple premium sports add-ons like MLS Season Pass and Friday Night Baseball, plus Apple One if you want all the Apple stuff bundled. But honestly, there aren't nearly as many integrated channels as Prime. So if you want to keep all your subscriptions in one spot, Prime Video is definitely the winner here. Sports fans, listen up. Prime Video is actually sneaky good for live sports. They stream Thursday Night Football, UEFA Soccer, and with add-ons you get all sorts of games. Some sports do cost extra, but you get options. And Apple TV Plus, they toss in Friday Night Baseball and give a deal on MLS Season Pass. But the sports lineup is honestly pretty tiny. If catching live games is your thing, Prime Video is your ticket. Last category, user experience and ads. Prime Video gives you a ton of ways to customize how you browse, but remember, ads are starting to show up unless you pay extra, and for real, some folks are annoyed by how paid/rental content is mixed in with free stuff. Can get confusing fast. Apple TV Plus, though? No ads, ever. Super clean app, and zero shenanigans where you're hunting for what's actually included. Much simpler, way less hassle. If interface matters to you, Apple TV Plus wins hands down. All right, let's step back for a sec. If you put all the scores together and plot them out, you'll see Prime Video absolutely crushes in overall volume. Think choice, bundles, sports, that kind of thing. Apple TV Plus hammers home quality, no-nonsense pricing, and that seamless Apple sharing experience. Depends on what you value most, for real. So which one should you pick? Here's my take. If you want literally endless stuff to watch, love the idea of family bundles and hopping between channels, plus maybe catching a game, Prime Video is probably the one. If you want to binge spectacular prestige TV and movies, hate ads, and you're already hanging out in the Apple world, Apple TV Plus is honestly a killer choice. Both have their quirks, but you can't go wrong. Me? I tend to bounce between both, depending on my mood. If you liked this breakdown, be sure to hit follow. Stick around for more no-nonsense tech talk. And hey, drop a comment if you want me to compare another set of streamers. Fresh updates and streaming tips coming